Hi everyone, welcome back to Java class. In today's session, you will learn how to design and develop graphical user interface using Swings component in Java programming language. So far, what we have done in our previous video sessions, we have covered multiple Java programs where we were interacting with the console in order to perform input and output operations. We were taking input from the console and we were displaying output on the console. But in today's session, you will learn a very innovative and interacting way in order to perform input and output operations, that is a graphical user interface. And this is an example where we have created some kind of registration form using a Swings component in Java programming language. So this is a GUI form that help us to perform different input and output operations. This registration form contains different components of your GUI like labels, like a text field, radio buttons like male and female, how to use checkbox, how to use text area, and how to just design and develop a button like submit or reset. So definitely you will learn in today's session how to design such kind of forms and which tool or which APIs in Java programming language help us to create or design such kind of input form in order to perform input and output operations. So let us explore it. So AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit, that is a part of Java Foundation classes that is used to create graphical user interface for Java applications. AWT provide a rich set of libraries and APIs for creating and managing different components of your GUI like windows, button, text field, radio button, text area, and other GUI components. AWT technology is a old technology which is used to create a graphical user interface, but it contains multiple classes that are present inside java.awt package that help us to create a graphical user interface. But if you will design some GUI components using AWT, so these AWT APIs are platform independence. What is the meaning of it? It means the look and feel of the components can vary between different operating systems. For example, if you will design some GUI components on one operating system, or the same programs you will just run on another operating system, so the look and feel of those components may vary. What is the reason of it? The AWT API were inheriting the color and the GUI features from the operating system. So whenever you will move the AWT APIs or AWT GUI components from one operating system to another operating system, so the look and feel may change. So in order to overcome these features, the new technology has been introduced, or we can say the new toolkit has been introduced, that is known as the Swings in Java programming language. So Swings has not replaced the Java, Swings has not replaced the AWT component. So it is added on the top of AWT, or it is a part of Java Foundation classes also that provide more powerful and flexible GUI toolkit than AWT. So let us understand what are the advantages of using Swings over AWT. So first advantage is the platform independence. The Swings component are completely written in Java programming language. So these components are platform independent. So there will be a consistent look and feel across different operating systems. So that is the first difference between Swings and AWT component. Let us move on the next one. The second one is the pluggable look and feel. Swings component provide a pluggable look and feel that allow developer to change the appearance of application dynamically, because the Swings applications or Swings component are designed in Java programming language. So you can easily change the appearance of your Swings component. So we can say this Swings component are cross-platform that provide a consistent look and feel, or that can mimic the native operating system also. The third difference is the rich set of components. If you compare the Swings with AWT, Swings provide a richer set of GUI components than AWT, like it has added trees, how to create tables, how to create tab panes. how to create sliders, and many other components that were not present in AWT classes. Next is the customizable components. So swings component are highly customized. You can extend one class into the another, or one component can extend another component in order to provide the customizable components. So swings component are lightweight components. If you will compare, means AWT, which totally relies on the native code, or we can say that depends on the operating system's look and feel. So AWT component were the heavyweight components, but swings component are the lightweight components as they are designed in Java programming language. So due to the lightweight components, the performance of swings component are better from AWT and provide the more flexible way to use in Java programming language. And the last and important difference between AWT and the swings. AWT classes were not supported the MVC architecture, that is model view controller, but the swings use the model view controller architecture, which separate your data models, that is kind of database, the UI part, that is the user interface that is displayed to the user, and the third is the control logic, that is a controller that contains the logic which control the user interface and the database, or we can say that connect with the user interface and the database. So these are the few advantages of swings component over AWT. That's why the swings component can be preferred in order to create the graphical user interface. So you will learn how to create the different components of the swings also. So let us move to the hierarchy of a swings component, or here you can see this picture shows the different components of a swings. You can see in the blue color we have the AWT components, or in this orange we have a swings component. So you know very well in Java programming language, on the top of the hierarchy we have an object class that contains component. Component contains the container that contains different kind of containers like windows, J component. So if you will see on the right side, this J component which is in the orange color. So J components contains the multiple sub components in order to perform, or in order to design different GUI part, right? So the Windows has a frame and dialog. So Windows, frame and dialog, these are the part of the AWT classes. So you can see the swings has not replaced the AWT component, but swings component are added into the hierarchy of your AWT components. So swings component are started with the prefix of a capital J letter, that is J for Java. So J frame, J dialog, J labels, J text component, J panel, J tabbed pane, or multiple components you have. So in the sessions you will explore all these components, and you will also learn how to create the different kind of containers using swings, different kind of components using swings. So guys, this is all about for today's session. In the next session I will help you how to create a J-frame. J-frame is kind of containers over you can align, or you can set different kind of swings component in order to create a better graphical user interface. So this is all about for today's session. So guys, thanks for watching. In the next session, we will explore the different component of swings, and you will learn how to design it. So bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video lesson, so please like and subscribe, or you can provide your feedback on your comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day.